You want to get started with real estate investing, but you don't know where to start. You want to get started with real estate investing, but you're not sure what is right for you. You want to get started in real estate investing because you want a better future for yourself and your family. Well, great news, folks. We here at One Rental at a Time want that for you as well. As you will see throughout this channel and this particular goals summary, we just lay it out there for you to consume. We talk about doing the work. We make no promises, but we do provide a platform that when you're ready, you can join and be a part of something amazing. So, folks, again, this is my goal summary. I will pull up the spreadsheet in a minute. Again, a couple of things that you will notice is our views, subscribers, and whatnot are down. That is okay because, again, we are trying to build something on school. Also, something that very cool happened this week is we launched ticket sales for our event in February. Yes, folks, President's Day weekend, Saturday and Sunday, I believe February 15th and 16th, we will once again be coming together as a community. At this point, they are only available to the school members, but don't worry, come August 1st, they will be available to everyone. We do have a small number of VIPs and then general admission. Again, we will be providing more and more color about the event as it gets clear, but rest assured, you will have at least 6 hours of networking opportunities, 2 hours at lunch, 2 hours at dinner day one, and then 2 hours at lunch the following day. So again, this was something that was seen as extreme value. It should be noted that the VIPs will have access to all of the speakers because that is where the speakers will be getting fed as well. So again, like last year, the VIP section will likely sell out quickly because you all want access to the millionaires. That said, I'm very proud of the school community, as you will see in a minute. We did get over the 200 number. In fact, I think we're at 207 as of this morning. We are now a top 750 school. We are a top 6 real estate school. I want to be a top 100 school and the top real estate school. And I want to get there because, again, we believe in doing the work. We believe in being good people. We want to talk about deals. We want to talk about inspection reports. We want to talk about lending. We want to give you access to millionaires like Henry Washington and Lance Lambert and Dion and Matt the mortgage guy, and the list goes on and on. This is being recorded Sunday morning, so you do have accountability group number 2 kicking off in just a few short hours for folks on the East Coast or folks that want to do it on Sunday as opposed to Wednesday at 6 o'clock. So again, we'll pull up the numbers. They are what they are. Again, they aren't maybe what I thought they would be at the beginning of the year, but let's look at it. So we are in week 30 of the calendar year, which is crazy to think about, already past the halfway point. So again, we are training for a marathon. We did put in a lot of miles last week. Let me just tell you, it's a lot easier to run long distance in California than it is in Vegas. What I am doing in Vegas, because I've purchased a treadmill, assault runner. Actually, I have an assault runner. Did a long run yesterday, 10 miles. Took just about 2 hours. So again, I'm not looking to burn up the track on this marathon. I am just looking to finish and not die. That's kind of the priorities, right? Not die and finish are my 2 goals for this marathon. I am not confused. I will undoubtedly walk a portion. I think my current execution plan is to run 10 miles, which I've done it dozens of times, if not hundreds of times in my life. And then I will be doing some kind of interval, maybe run 3 minutes, walk 1 minute for the rest of the journey, kind of break it up into 2 chunks. That's my goal. Did do 21 miles again, did a long run of 10. We had some family in town, so we didn't get as much running as I would like. We did do a lot of eating. There's all kinds of all-you-can-eat places here. We did all-you-can-eat sushi, all-you-can-eat meat. It's for a foodie, Vegas is heaven. So very happy to be here. Weight went up a little bit. Again, didn't run as much and ate like a fool. That will happen. I haven't done a lot of concentration on the buy box. I got to get there. I got to find time. We did send out a couple of golden tickets, a few more black cards. Again, Want to recognize the folks out there. I do think we are in a buyer's market. You've heard me talk about that. And I think we're going to get a lot more creative. We're going to find a lot more seller financing and the like. Been to 4 conferences this year. I was only planning on 3. We'll see if there's another one at the end of the year. I don't see one currently, but maybe. I don't believe I was on a podcast last week also, which is disappointing. Love to be interviewed on some podcasts. Would be great. Then there's the YouTube channels, right? You can see YouTube channel is really down. I'm going to kind of highlight row 17 through, I guess, 25. And let's just scroll back. One of the things that's obvious is I'm posting less content on YouTube. Yeah, look at that. We were well over 100,000 there for a long time. But yeah, posting less content because I am focused on growing and providing value for the school community. School community is a $20 charge a month. And, and I'm trying to provide over $20 of value a week. Providing different access to people and live streams and Q&As. So again, you're going to be getting a lot less YouTube videos, but we're going to be putting more content on school. We did get 91 new subscribers. Thank you. Like, subscribe, comment, become part of the channel. Made almost $700 on the main channel, so almost $100 a day. Daily financial news had a good week. Did almost 6,700 views, 55 new subscribers. Thank you very much. Made almost $72 on the daily financial news. That's kind of cool. Best of ORaaT, kind of flat really. 4,600 views, 19 new subs, but only $30. We do have 2 outstanding books here at One Rental at a Time. We have the OG One Rental at a Time. We also have the 115 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires. I wrote the first one for me. I wrote the second one for you. Little side note for you. There's a link below to Audible. Audible, yes, folks. If you don't know this already, the one and only Dion from Dion Talk Financial Freedom was gracious enough to be the narrator for both books. So not only can you get the books that we wrote here, but you can also fall asleep listening to Dion read either book. You might as well get both of them. Links below in the description. And then for all the stuff that we give away here, we did get the 54-year spreadsheet. Don't talk about it a lot, but extremely valuable. Zuberletter, zuberletter.com, something that I'm very proud of in combination with Lance Lambert. Go to zuberletter.com and subscribe. School community, as I mentioned, over 207 to be exact. That's a big number. 200 is where I think we can start really to grow. Introduce yourself, ask questions, talk about deals, talk about listings. Let's get this thing going. We did get 4 free courses. Didn't sell any of the detailed kind of paint by numbers course, my buy box. We didn't, nobody bought the 11-week or the 10-week boot camp, Vegas event. Also the main one, how to get started one rental at a time for $3.99. Nobody bought that this week, and that's okay. Depending on who you are, right? If you're the person that's going to follow paint by numbers, then buy the course, do the work. If you just want to get around the right people, then don't buy the course. Join school. They are not overlap, right? How to get started one rental at a time is very much a how-to, and school is very much a community. There are a lot of bonus material. There's a master class on creative financing. I did give away the $1,000 boot camp. So again, if you just want to take that for $20, you can get access to the $1,000 boot camp if you want. But it is there for you. And then just kind of other things that we're tracking here is I do sell some swag, some ORaaT swag. If you want to support, show some love, you can go to onerentalatatime.com. You can click on, I think it's the products tab. You can see some special t-shirts, stickers, coffee cups. You can find the very impressive 7 ORaaT rules. Again, something you should display. It's actually in my gym. I have a very big board of the 7 ORaaT rules. You can take some book selfies and all like, and then Amazon referrals down, wow, what is that? Like down 400% or something. So again, Amazon is way, way down. So again, folks, kind of interesting. We're going through some goals that I set up in January. We obviously had a hard pivot to school and Zuberletter kind of in the middle of that. I am focused on being a top 100 school and the top 1 real estate school on school. So again, let me know what you need. Join. Really, school is powerful because of you, the community. I keep the price point low so I can exceed value every month. That's on me. But the community really gets going because of you. Again, you want to get around these people. The people inside school are doing the work. They have buy boxes. They're doing the work. They're talking about deals. They're talking about frustration. Sometimes in the accountability groups, we will take a 55-page inspection report and people will go through them. Some accountability groups last 90 minutes. Some last 3 or 4 hours. Join. Do the work. Introduce yourself. If you're being a wallflower inside school, come on. Do me a favor. Create an introductory post. Tell me about your buy box, your goals, your passion. Love to hear from you. Folks, at the end of the day, that is the weekly goals. Again, a lot of the numbers are down, but again, it was a great week. 207 school members. I couldn't be more excited. On our way to 250. On our way from, I think, 750 top schools to the top 100. Alex Hormozi, we're coming for you. We are going to be the top real estate investing school on your platform. That is my goal. I'm calling the shot right now.